Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to connect Google Drive to your Facebook pages so you can seamlessly share files, photos, and videos without any hassle. Whether you're managing a business page or just want smoother content sharing, this guide will make the process super simple and quick. By the end of this video, you'll be able to integrate Google Drive with Facebook pages like a pro, so let's dive in understanding the integration. Before we get hands-on, let's quickly understand what this integration does. Connecting Google Drive to Facebook Pages allows you to directly share files stored in Drive, like images, videos, or documents, straight to your page posts or messages. This saves time, keeps your content organized, and ensures you never have to download and upload files manually, using a third-party tool. Currently, Facebook pages don't natively connect to Google Drive, but don't worry, we'll use a trusted third-party automation tool like Zapier or Integromat. These platforms act as a bridge between Google Drive and Facebook pages, allowing files to move automatically based on triggers you set. Go to the automation platform of your choice and sign up or log in. Select Google Drive as your trigger app and choose the trigger event, such as New File in Folder. Connect your Google Drive account and select the specific folder you want to monitor, linking Facebook pages. Next, choose Facebook pages as your action app. Here's how: select the action you want, like create page post or share photo, connect your Facebook account, and choose the page you manage. Map the file or content from Google Drive to the post format. For example, if it's an image, you can set it to automatically upload as a page post. Testing the integration. Always test your setup before going live. Upload a test file to your designated Google Drive folder and check if it appears correctly on your Facebook page. If it works, you're all set. You can also tweak the workflow to schedule posts or filter specific files for automatic sharing. Tips for smooth operation: keep your folders organized so automation doesn't post unintended files. Use descriptive file names to easily track what's being shared. Regularly check permissions for both Google Drive and Facebook pages to avoid errors. And there you have it. Connecting Google Drive to your Facebook pages has never been easier. With this setup, you can save tons of time and keep your content flowing effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another productivity guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.